Hi, everyone. I'm children's author Janet Hoffman, and today I'm going to give you a peek inside my book, Who is Singing? Who is Singing is a nonfiction picture book for ages 2 to 7. It was illustrated by Chrissy Chabot, and the publisher is Pennant Publications. And Who is Singing is a celebration and first guide to birds and their songs. And I'm just going to show you a few of the birds inside. First is the cardinal. This is probably the bird that inspired me actually to write this book, because it's one of the first songs that I could readily recognize. And we have a lot of cardinals around our house. Wheet, wheat, wheat. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Who is whistling? Take a bow, cardinal. A delight all year in fire engine red. Wheat, wheat, wheat. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Their songs sound sort of like familiar words, and so that makes, if you can sort of tell what it sounds like, then it's easier for you to recognize. And people hear it differently, so you might think the cardinal says something different, but that's okay. Meow, meow. Who is mewing? Take a bow, gray catbird, hiding in a bush, sounding like a cat. Meow, meow. Chickadee dee dee. Who is calling? Take a bow, Chickadee, all dressed up for dinner in a black cap and bib. Chickadee dee dee. This is a common bird at the bird feeder. This one is a favorite of my grandsons. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? Who is hooting? Take a bow, hoot owl, hunting on silent wings in the darkness of night. Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all? And then after seeing the individual birds, the book ends with all the birds. Birds are singing all around us. Listen closely. Who is singing? And then at the back of the book, there's Birdsong fun facts for you. And you can find this book in bookstores and online. And any bookstore would be happy to order it for you. And then you can find out more information about the book, about learning connections, where to buy it, things like that, at my website, janethoffmanauthor.com. You can also ask me any questions through my website. Thanks for listening, and happy reading.